In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the bug in League of Legends where you cannot make your runes. Now this usually happens when you're in champ select and you cannot change your runes. So I know of 3 ways that can potentially fix it. The first one is the best one that I've seen worked for most people, and that is simply by going to blitz.gg and download Blitz. It's gonna auto make your runes so you don't have to do it when you're in the lobby. Now, if you don't want to do that, another thing you can do is you can press to the task manager, and from in here, go to details, scroll until you find League of Legends, find the League client UX vendor, and you're gonna end these tasks. Just click end and then let it reload for a little bit, and that will also maybe work. Now the third option that you can possibly do to fix it is you can just repair your League client. So close down League, open up the League launcher, press on the settings and repair. However, this one and the last option is kinda, if it doesn't work for you, it might make you dodge the lobby. So I recommend just getting Blitz and making that do it for you. There are currently no other ways that I know of that you can fix it, unfortunately, but these are the ways and I hope they will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.